A journey from broke to abundance requires shifting one's mindset and gaining insights through life experiences. The African diaspora often struggle with self-esteem, which impacts self-worth, career and business choices, and income. Here's a more profound way to view why you may not have the desired abundance. The universe will match the value you put into the world. Value is ultimately tied to your essence and what you believe about yourself. That's the Kemetic principle, life is your mirror. For example, starting any business is challenging on a couple of levels. First is creating something of value that people will buy. Second is realizing that the created product represents who you are. We will evaluate the product's viability in the marketplace based on our feelings of self-worth. So going from broke to abundance is the science of valuing yourself and putting that out into the universe so that self-love and value are reflected. As self-love grows, so does your income potential with whatever you do. You are powerful beyond belief.